Hello students, good evening all. Welcome to Narayana Law classes. Today for class 6 students we are going to discuss assignment number 9, that is on number system. Now let us see the first question. The first question is the number which has only two factors, one and itself is called dash number. So it is a very basic definition of a prime number. A prime number is the one which has one and itself as factors for it. So there are no other factors than one and itself. Example, if you take 3, if you take 2, let us take 2 is the only even prime number because 2 can be written as only 1 into 2. If you take 3 is the first odd prime. So this can be written as 1 into 3. That's all. That is the only possibility to write 3 as product of two numbers. Next, if you take 5 is equal to 1 into 5. If you take 7 is 1 into 7. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, all these are called as prime numbers. But if you take 9 can be written as 1 into 9. Not only that, we can write it as even 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is also 9. So here, in addition to 1 and 9, we have one more factor 3 for 9. So 9 is not a prime number. So a number which has only, he is saying, see, only two factors. What are those? 1 and itself. 1 and 2. For 2, the factors are 1 and 2. 1 and itself. For 3 also, if you take 1 and 3, 1 and itself. For 5, 1 and 5, 1 and itself. For 7 also, 1 and 7, 1 and itself. Okay, such numbers we call as prime numbers. If at all you have at least one other factor than 1 and itself, such numbers are called as composite numbers. Okay, so but according to the given, the right option is prime number. Okay, so first option is the right option for this particular question. Now we will move to the next question. Now, which of the following is a prime number? We have seen the definition of prime number. Now let us verify which of the given options qualifies to be a prime number. Let us take 37. First option to take 37 is 1 into 37. That's all. Okay, no other factor will exist for 37 other than 1 and 37. So 37 is the first option. That is the right option. Let us verify even other options. 48. 48 if you take, 48 can be written as 1 into 48. And even we can write it as 2 into 24. You can write it as 3 into 16. And we can write it as 4 into 12. Many are there. So, in addition to 1 and itself, we have almost many other factors other than 1 and itself for 48. So, 48 is definitely not a prime number. It is a composite number. Now, let us take 69. 69 also we can write as 1 into 69. That is 1 and itself. Not only that, we can write 69 as 3 into 23. 3 into 23. So, other than 1 and itself, it has other factors also. So 69 is not a prime number. Similarly, if you take 84 we can write as 1 and 84, that is 1 and itself. In addition to that, we can write even 2 into 42 and many more. So in addition to 1 and 84, it has other factors also. So for 84 also, we cannot call as a prime number. That is a composite number. So only the first option qualifies to be the prime number. So our right answer is first option. Now let us take the third question. Which of the following is a prime number? Say, if you take 42, first option let us verify. 42 can be written as 1 into 42. Not only 1 into 42, you can write it as even 2 into 21. That's it. One extra factor if you have, that is enough to say that it is not a prime number. So 42 is not a prime number at all. Now 39 you take. 39 you can write as 1 into 39. Not only that, we can write 3 into 13. 3 13s also we can say as 39. So 3, 13 both are other factors than 1 and itself. So it is also not a prime number. 42 is not a prime number. 39 is not a prime number. If you take 29 we can write as only 1 into 29. There won't be any other factors existing for 29 other than 1 and 29. So 29 qualifies to be a prime number. This is a prime number. Now 63 if you take, 63 can be written as 1 into 63. That is even we can write as 3 into 21. So we have other factors than 1 and itself. So 63 is also not a prime number. So out of all these four, 29 is a prime number. So third option is the right option for this particular question. Okay, now we will move to the next question. The greatest prime number less than 70. Okay, greatest prime number less than 70. First he is saying 68. 68, if you take the unit digit as 8, an even number, definitely it's not a prime number because it will have 2 as its factor other than 1 itself. At least one factor if you have, that is enough to say that it is not a prime number. So 68 is definitely not a prime number. If you take 63, 63 can be written as 1 into 63, and also we can write it as 3 into 21 also. So we have for 63 we have other than 1 and 63, 3 and 21 as factors again. So definitely 63 also you cannot call as a prime number. Then 67, 67 we can write only as 1 into 67. There are no other factors existing for 67 than 1 and itself. So 67 is definitely a prime number. This is a prime. 69 if you take, that is 1 into 69, and even we have it as 3 into 23 because sum of the digits 6 and 9 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. That is a divisibility rule for 3. Yes, 3 is dividing 69 23 times. So definitely 69 is not a prime number. So out of all these, third option, that is 67 is the prime. So highest prime less than 70 is 67. Okay, third option is the right answer. Now the greatest prime less than 30. So here also we are given options 23, 27, 29, 28. 23 if you take, this is a prime number. 1 into 23 it's a prime number. This is prime. Okay. 27, in addition to 1 into 27 we have even 3 into 9. 3 into 9. So definitely it's not a prime number. Next 29. 29 also we can write as 1 into 29 only. So it is also a prime number. That is also a prime number. But 28 if you take, that is 1 into 28 and also 2 into 14 because unit digit is even number, so that it is definitely divisible by 2. So 2 is other factor than 1 and 28. So this is also not a prime number. So these two are prime numbers. But what is he asking? Greatest prime. Greatest prime in the sense, out of 23 and 29, 29 is greatest. So the right option for this particular question is 29. That is third option. So that is the end of this worksheet. Okay. Thank you.